Hey guys, what's up? It's Elle from gmailfiend once again, and for this video I will be showing you how to increase contrast in Gmail. So first things first is of course access your Gmail account by going to mail.google.com, and once you have this page loaded, then you will be able to follow the steps of this tutorial. So increasing contrast helps especially when your eyes hurt when you have the default theme over here. As you can see, it's quite bright and you want to increase the contrast. So what you have to do is to click the gear icon over here and then just scroll a little bit downwards and you will see the theme. So click view all and scroll once again and you will see this one over here. So it says high contrast. So if you click that, as you can see, your theme has been a little bit darker. However, it's not the dark mode. So yes, I hope this video was helpful, and if you liked this video, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much guys, and I hope you tune in for more.